Hi, Maurice.
Hi, Sama.
How are you?
I'm fine. Today I'm going to take you through September progress.
Of Cicada.
Yeah, of Cicada.
Lovely. Let's go.
Walls.
Walling.
Yeah. Walling has been done 100% from wing B, from first floor to third floor.
First floor to third floor. On
Yes.
which floor?
On wing B.
On sorry?
On wing B.
On block B.
Yeah, on block B.
Okay.
Walling on wing A is done up to fifth floor 100%.
On to fifth floor.
Yeah,
100% on block A.
on block A.
Okay. Good.
Formwork for the 8th floor slab is 50% done. And the reinforcement for the 8th floor slab is also 50% done.
On which floor?
On block B.
On block B.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are standing on block B right
We are
now.
standing on block B right now.
Okay.
On the 8th floor formwork.
Great.
Okay. And on block A,
Block A.
9th and 10th floor slab are done 100%.
Yeah, look, this is 9th floor.
9th
and
floor,
this is
10th floor,
Yeah.
100% done.
The floor slab is 100% done.
100% done.
Okay.
Then columns to 11th floor,
I can see the columns.
yeah, 20% done.
20% done. Okay.